Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Uconnect system in a Ram 2500. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and running, or in accessory mode, to maintain power throughout the process. Gather a USB drive, formatted to FAT32, as this will be essential for transferring the update files. You'll also need access to a computer with an internet connection to download the necessary software. Always verify your current Uconnect version before starting. Preparation is key for a smooth update. Begin by visiting the official Uconnect website and entering your Ram 2500 17-digit vehicle identification number, or VIN, to check for available software updates. If an update is found, download the file to your computer. Next, prepare a USB drive, at least 4 GB in size, by formatting it to FAT32. This ensures your Uconnect system can properly read the update files. Once your USB drive is ready, extract the downloaded update files directly to its root directory. Then, take the USB drive to your Ram 2500 and insert it into one of the vehicle's USB ports. Your Uconnect system should recognize the update and prompt you to begin installation. Confirm the update and allow the process to complete. It typically takes between 10 and 20 minutes. Crucially, do not turn off the vehicle or remove the USB drive until the update is finished. After the update completes, the Uconnect system will reset. Wait about 60 to 90 seconds for a confirmation screen to appear. Verify that the software version numbers now match the updated version. You can then safely remove the USB drive. If you encounter any unexpected issues, such as flickering or audio problems, performing a soft reset of the Uconnect system can often resolve them. For persistent problems, contact your Ram dealership or Uconnect customer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.